and welcome to another YOLO Family Vans episode. Today I will be showing you the electric bike lift system we have right here. So as we all know, loading and lifting bikes can be a little hard for many people. When we were traveling, my brother and I couldn't even bring down our own bikes. We need to have an adult to bring it down for us, therefore limiting the usage of our bikes, because sometimes adults don't want to bring it down for us. Anyways, the electric bike lift system can solve that problem right over here. With an easy button, you can bring this whole bike rack all the way down 1.5 meters. It can hold 2 e-bikes and 3 regular bikes, and it can hold up to 60 kilograms. This bike rack is tested for bumpy off-roading roads, so you don't have to worry about your bikes while you're exploring any road you want. And as I said earlier, it can hold up to 60 kilograms, including my brother and all the bikes we want. Not all, but like 2. Now let me show you how this bike rack works. So, I'm gonna go over here and with a push of the button, Max is going down. So, as you can see, this is how deep the bikes go under my waist, so it's easier for me to offload it. So, all I have to do here is unstrap the wheels off, take this piece off, whatever it's called, and take the bike out. Bye! Bye. I'm going to show you now how to put this bike back on. You bring the front tire up into its spot like that. Make sure both tires are in, like snug, I guess. Bring this thing also back down and tighten it up. Make sure it's tight enough that it doesn't get off and release from the bike so the bike doesn't fall off while you're driving. And you put these straps back on to the bike wheels. Make sure they're very tight. And then you have your bike back on. Now all we have to do is lift the bike back up. Max, would you like to come back on the bike rack? Go. We are the first ever electrically powered bike lift system distributors here in North America. If you are interested or have any questions at all about our electrically powered bike lift system, don't forget to comment or contact us by visiting our website at yolofamilyvans.ca. There, you can see all our products we offer, like a tilting solar panel and a motorized bunk bed, along with all our current expedition vehicle sprinter builds. You can also find more information about our family in our 2-year-long road trip around Canada, Europe, Asia, and Africa in our 2018 Sprinter 4x4 named YOLO. Again, visit us at yolofamilyvans.ca. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now!